Hi, I'm Jeremy White. I'm in an organic garden in Sydney and I'm so excited. This is going to be one of the most useful landscape tools in our toolbox. It's the SW500E. Let me show you what it can do.
The unique thing about our Satusteam is that it comes out at low pressure and at high volume. That's 5 litres a minute at low pressure. There's no displacement of the mulch, no compaction of the soil. That's a critical feature when you're weeding in gardens without damaging soil structure.
Comes with 2 applicator heads. You saw the covered head. This is what we call the Weedtechnics open head. See what it can do. Paving and pathways go green, they can often get slippery. So in order to clean them up, often people use a pressure cleaner. And using a pressure cleaner can really damage soft stone like sandstone. The SW500E uses low pressure and temperature, perfect combination to clean off. Let me show you. Without splintering the timber. You can't do that with high pressure, only with low pressure, and the heat just melts that green algae away. So what do you think? Landscape tool that's worth having? In the hour that it's taken me to put this 1.5 minute video together, I've weeded the gravel, weeded the paving, started cleaning the paving, removed some spiders, prepared a table for oiling, cleaned the barbecue. You really should have one of these in your toolkit. The SW500E from Weedtechnics.